Hey kids, let's learn vegetable names today.
Potato. This is potato. Carrot. This is carrot. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Radish. This is radish. Lady's finger. This is lady's finger. Brinjal. This is brinjal. Green beans. This is green beans. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Capsicum. This is capsicum. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Tomato. This is tomato. Cucumber. This is cucumber.
Bye-bye, kids. Subscribe for more.